Today, Southern Gardening is in Hattiesburg, Mississippi at Ross Mansion Bed and Breakfast. They have some enchanting fairy gardens on the property. Let's take a look at some of these magical gardens. At the entrance to the gardens, an old log planter with creeping jenny plants, Gerbera daisies, a begonia, and a few other plants sets the stage for the gardens. An old bed headboard is used as a backdrop for the space, and various colored fairy houses are placed to add a whimsical feel. I love how areas underneath the large oak trees have been transformed into magical fairy villages. Moss is used throughout these areas, along with various other shade-tolerant plants. Pea gravel and other rocks are used to represent roads and pathways in the villages. There are many old bird baths in the gardens that have been transformed into magical fairy wonderlands. Each one has its own unique theme and decor. Moss, succulents, and many other small plants are used in the bird bath areas to help create the fairy wonderland setting. I love how antique, recycled objects, such as this old wagon, have been incorporated into the gardens and provide the perfect area for a fairy village setting. An old wheelbarrow, used as a fairy garden village, is another example of how you can repurpose and reuse objects to enhance your garden spaces. If you are ever in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, you should stop by Ross Mansion Bed and Breakfast and see their enchanting magical fairy gardens. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.